Hello and welcome to the Selenium Python tutorial 9. It deals with Python automation testing with Selenium WebDriver. In this tutorial, you will learn Python Selenium keyboard actions using the keys and PyAuto GUI library. It is easier to use the PyAuto GUI library. These keyboard actions include Selenium Python send keys, Python Selenium copy text, paste text using Python Selenium Control V, edit text and move cursor using the keyboard. Now let us automate using Selenium WebDriver Python. Here is the first Selenium Python example. I have created a new Python file, keyboard action chains, and here you can see on line number 5 from selenium.webdriver import action chains as A. I explained action chains in my Selenium Python tutorial 8. The important import statement here is import keys. This is basically Selenium Python keys library. It gives us access to the various key codes. Then we have the exec path for the browser driver and the URL. This URL has two text boxes, one for distance and one for speed. We will write something in the distance text box and copy it to the speed text box. Now let us start writing the code. First thing we need to do is define the locator. Distance ID locator is distance and speed ID locator is speed on this web page. Then we need a wait timeout. Let us keep it 15 seconds. We need this for WebDriver wait Python. Then we need to define the driver variable. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot name of your browser that you want to use, and we have to give executable path is the exact path defined above. Then we need to define the wait variable for explicit wait. Wait variable is W is the alias for WebDriver wait, and it has two arguments, driver and the wait timeout. Next we need to navigate to the URL, driver.get URL, and we need to define an action chains object. So let us call it A is equal to A is the alias for action chains, and it needs one argument which is the driver. Now lowercase a is the action chains object. Next let us find the distance element and the speed element. Distance element is using explicit wait. We have to use wait variable dot until E is the alias for expected conditions, E dot presence of element located, and we have to find it by ID, distance ID locator. Then similarly let us find the speed element. Again wait variable dot until expected conditions dot presence of element located. This is also by ID, speed ID locator. Let us call the Selenium Python send keys method. Distance element dot send underscore keys, and let us put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now Python Selenium select all text. We can use our action chains object A dot key down, and here we are going to use the keys library. The alias is k dot control dot send keys and A. So basically we are keeping the control key pressed and sending A. That means control A operation will be performed on the distance text box text, and in action chains object we have to call the perform method, otherwise it won't execute. Next Python Selenium copy text to keyboard. How do we copy text? Again action chains object dot key down, again keys dot control dot send keys, and this time control C, and again we have to call the perform method. Now we can move to the speed element, a dot click and hold method, and where we want speed element dot perform. So it's going to click on the speed element. Now the cursor will be on the speed element, so we can paste text from the keyboard using the Python Selenium control V. A dot key down, k dot control dot send keys, and control V dot perform. Let us run this to see how it works. Right click, run keyboard action chains. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser. Selenium WebDriver has opened the web page. It will type 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the distance text box. Copy that and paste it in the speed text box. Let us now see the second Selenium Python example using the PyAutoGUI library. I find PyAutoGUI easier. It also has many features for Selenium keyboard actions. I've created a new Python file in the same project called keyboard PyAutoGUI, and the important statement is on line number 5. Import PyAutoGUI, and the alias is p. I explained in my Selenium Python tutorial 8. First we need to install the PyAutoGUI package using the pip command, and the pip command is pip install PyAutoGUI. This command we need to run on the command prompt. Second, we need to install PyAutoGUI package in File Settings Project Interpreter. The rest of the code that I have pasted is the same as before. Let us continue writing the code. First, let us use Selenium Python send keys. Distance element dot send keys, and let us send an empty string. Sending an empty string is for Python Selenium set focus to the distance web element. Now let us start using the PyAutoGUI library. P is the alias for that. P dot write, and let us write 1 2 3 4 5 6.78 because we have to edit some text also. The write method will type the characters. Now let us edit the decimal part away. We can use p dot press method, and here we have to give the key, which key we want to press. So we want to press backspace 3. The press method accepts a single key string, and optionally the number of times it should be pressed. Basically this method is going to press the backspace key 3 times, meaning it will delete 8, 7 and the decimal point. Now Python Selenium control A, meaning Python Selenium select all. We can call the PyAutoGUI dot hotkey method, and here we can give control A. The hotkey method is for keyboard shortcuts. It can accept multiple key strings. Now after deleting decimal point 78, we have selected all the text. Next, Python Selenium copy text from the web page. P dot hotkey control C. PyAutoGUI also has a sleep method, so maybe we can wait for a second just for demonstration purpose. P dot sleep, 1 second. Now using PyAuto GUI, we can move cursor to the speed web element. P dot press, and the key string is tab. So using tab we can go to the speed text box and paste text from the keyboard. PyAuto GUI dot hotkey Control V. Basically what this script is going to do is, it's going to write, first of all, take the focus to distance web element, then write 12345.6.78, press the backspace key 3 times, select all, copy it, move to the speed text box and paste the text there. Let us now run this script to see how it works. Right click, run keyboard PyAuto GUI. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser. Selenium WebDriver has opened the web page. So you can see it edited the text in the distance text box, copied it and pasted it in the speed text box. That's it for Python browser automation in this Selenium WebDriver Python tutorial. Please view all my tutorials in this Selenium with Python training. Thank you.